Hi there, everybody. This is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair. And today I'd like to talk about what you can do to speed your computer up if it seems to be running a bit slowly. One of the things that you can do to speed your computer up if you're not getting the speed you think you should be is to see what programs are running that maybe don't need to be running. And the way you would do that is you would put your cursor in the little taskbar thing down here where you see mine, right click on the taskbar, and then you're going to look for something that says Task Manager. This should be present in Windows 10 and 11. And if you left click on Task Manager, you're going to see the Task Manager window come up, and what you're looking for is something that says startup right here. That's if you're running Windows 10, you would click on that. If you're running Windows 11, I have a picture right here where you're going to see a little picture of what looks like a speedometer, and you'll see where it says startup apps, and you'll get to the same place. And basically, what you're going to do is you're going to look at your startup programs. These are all the programs that are set to start when Windows starts. And what you want to do is look for a little status tab right here and left click on it one time. And that will organize all of the startup apps by whether they're disabled or whether they're enabled. And if you click it, you want to click it until the ones that are enabled are on the top, and you want to look at them and you want to figure out which ones are necessary, which ones are not necessary, and which ones are so unnecessary that they need to be disabled. So if you notice right here, I use Carbonite, so my Carbonite user interface is in there. I definitely want that to be enabled. Things with my brother printer in there, I like to have those enabled. OneDrive, though, I do not need enabled. So I'm going to right click on that and then I'm going to left click where it says disable. And then it's going to put it in the disabled group. Edge, same way. I'm going to right click on it and then I'm going to left click where it says disabled. And that's basically what you want to do, and then you want to restart your computer and see if it's giving you any additional speed. And if it is, great. If it's not, then there are other things that you can do to try to speed your computer up. One of them is to uninstall unnecessary programs, because some programs might still be taking system resources even though they're not enabled. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to go to Control Panel, and you can get to Control Panel by going to your search bar right here and just typing in Control Panel. And I only typed in CONT and it came up, so I'm going to left click on it. And then Control Panel comes up. You're going to left click where it says Programs and Features. And then you're just going to wait till that completely populates, and you're going to see if there's any programs in there that you don't need. So, for instance, here is Mozilla Firefox. And if I want to get rid of that, then I can just left click on it and then left click on uninstall and then follow the instructions to fully uninstall it. Then you're going to want to reboot your computer. And again, see if you have any additional speed than you had before. Now, if you don't know what one of these programs is, you can always Google it. And the type of thing you would do would be to Google, let's say, is Firefox legit? Um, and then you'll get, pretty good indicator from various trusted websites that, in this case, yes, Firefox is legit and it's safe to use. And then exactly what it does, and that'll help guide you as to whether or not you want to uninstall it. So that is basically how to make sure that your computer is running as well as it can be. There are other things that you can do. You might have a bad hard drive. You could run a diagnostic. We can cover those on future videos. But something simple and basic you can do is just make sure a bunch of garbage programs aren't running that don't need to be, and make sure that programs you don't need and are not using are not installed in your computer. If you have any need of professional in home computer repair and you live in the Memphis, Cordova, Bartlett, Germantown, Oakland, Arlington, Collierville, Millington, or Eads, Tennessee area, please feel free to call me, Dave Bensman, at Bensman Home Computer Repair. Been in business for 23 years. Expert computer repair in your home while you wait. Please have a great weekend and call me if you need me. 901 830 4362. Bye now.